Hello, my name's Mischa and I'm a graduate software developer for data interchange. I came into software development quite late, so I've done a few different jobs before I started with DI. So coming out of uni, I did a undergrad in maths with sports science, and then I went and worked in sports technology. So I worked in football for 4 years, doing match day services at sporting events and football events. Started working with tech, and I suppose getting used to and sort of enjoying working with tech. And then that led me to go back to uni to do a conversion course. So I did my master's in computer science because I wanted to learn how to write code. And then that's what led me. I worked briefly for an aeronautical company, and that wasn't quite for me. And then that led me to wanting to code with DI. So I applied for DI. Yeah, so I suppose I haven't got many interests outside of sport. Sport basically takes up all my time. So I play for a Sunday league football team. So we play 3 times a week, play loads of. I try and keep active, go to the gym, try and run, although it's not particularly enjoyable, so I'm working on that. And then recently playing more pool and table tennis, which has been good. And I suppose TV, I don't watch much TV other than sport as well. I like to watch football and sport, F1, sorry. And I do a bit of speed cubing, so I've learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube quickly and try and work on that and get quicker and quicker doing that. Within the grad scheme so far, my biggest challenge, I suppose, has been making sure I ask for help when I need it and asking the stupid questions when they come along and as soon as they need to, because I think sometimes you can feel like you're bothering people when you don't understand something. Whereas one of the things that's come through with this company is that, and especially with the setup of the grad scheme, is that no question's too stupid, and there's always someone that can give you sort of one-to-one help. So you're always better off asking the question sooner rather than wasting your own and other people's time not fully understanding things, because there's always someone that will go through it with you properly, which is what I've done in the past, where there's been certain modules where I've struggled, maybe kept it for myself a bit longer than I should have, and then I've gone back and realised I could have just asked straight away at the time and it would have been absolutely fine. So just keep reminding myself to do that and stay on top of the challenges we're getting given, learning new code and new stuff. Yeah, I think one of the cool things about the grad scheme is that they don't, they take in people from lots of different backgrounds, and in that regard, they don't really assume any certain ability levels because we've all learned different things. So in our current intake, we had, I had a Java background, whereas some of the other guys have got C# or gaming or whatever. So the training was very sort of accommodated to everyone. And because the actual intake isn't huge, it's small enough that you get sort of one-to-one time through all the new things you're being taught. So it's very hands-on. And like I was saying before, you can always ask questions. And yeah, it's very relevant because you know the sort of the products that you're going to be working on. I suppose the training's all very tailored to what you need it for. Yeah, so it's good.